So now we are going to learn about maths module in Python. But before moving towards maths, there are few basic concepts about maths in Python that we are going to clear here. For example, if we want to find any number which is a greater one, okay, assume that you have infinite numbers and you don't have time to go through that, okay. So how there is a Python special Python feature provide that if you type a mini, that is minimum, that min stand for minimum, okay. So minimum is a default function, built-in function, okay. So this function will able to find a minimum, means the value out of the values which you have given here, out of those all values it is able to find a smallest value, okay. So let's print it. Control S, and as you can see, so 4 number is the smallest here, so it is printing here 4. Similar to mini, there is a max also there. Max will print a maximum, that means the number which has a biggest number is going to be print. So let's do this also. As you can see, it is printing here, okay. Apart from this, there is a power function also there. For example, POW, okay, and 2 to the power, let's give 4, okay, like this. For these are the built-in functions are there in Python, which ables to perform mathematical steps. For the advanced mathematical steps, if we want to perform, then for that we need to import some maths module. Let's do that also. First I will clear my screen. Import maths. Okay. Now let's use, let I'm interested to find a square root. Okay. I'm interested to find square root of 64. I don't know what is square root of 64. I'm interested to know. So for that I will use maths module. First I will import maths module, and then I will use square root built-in function which is stored in maths module. Okay. Now let's print it. P1, Control S, and let's run this. So 8 is a square root of 64, as you know. Okay. Let's find square root of 10. 100. The square root of 100 is 10. Like that, if we want to find any angle with respect to sine, that is sine, if you are interested to find sine 40 value, 45 value, then that also can be done using this maths module. So if I run, yeah, here it's printing the value, sine 45's value. Like that, there is a sine for all the trigonometric functions also there, and lot many things you can do using this maths module. Okay, thank you for joining me. Meet you again. Bye for now.